Hello everyone. Now we shall look into the concept of constructors and methods. So using constructors and proper methods, we can design a class called graphics which stores shapes, area, back color and fore colors. So the program statements, it says define a constructor and use the proper method using a class called graphics to store the shapes, area, background color, foreground color. Use this class in a main program to input any shape, any n shapes, and perform the operations. What are the operations? Area, then search the shape. So two operations you are supposed to do. One is to find out the area of the shape, and second one is to search the accepted shape. That is a program. Now straight away let us go to the program. So I'm defining a class called graphics. It is mentioned here. Define a class called graphics. I define a class called graphics wherein I use INJ. Okay. Then I use temporary variable area as float. Okay. Then I have shapes 20 of 20, foreground cover, background color, and comparison array. So here all the arrays, these are all two-dimensional arrays. Then I use some public functions, graphics, display, search. Here also I'm using a parameter which is passing from the main program. Then I'm sorting. So I'm defining, I'm displaying, I'm searching for a shape, then I'm sorting the shapes. These are the activities which I'm doing over here. So in the graphics, the constructor, it's a constructor wherein I'm using the number of shapes. What are the shapes? So here, as I already told, I'm using shapes. So this is an array of shapes. Please remember, shape 20 of 20 means there are 20 shapes, each of 20 characters. I can say shape like cuboid. Cuboid is one shape. That is one. Say circle could be another shape. That is two. So it's a two-dimensional because each shape name is this and number of shapes is this. That's why it is two-dimensional. Now I'm reading say five shapes. Then all the five shapes details I'm entering. Detail of the shape. Enter the shape. Shape of eye. Say shape of eye means I'm reading a string. Then enter the area. Area of eye. Once again area. Area of eye. Area of eye. Then I'm reading for color. Once again, that's a character. Background color. That's again a character. So here, background color, for color, these are all the array of characters for the shape. That's why I'm using two dimensions. Then display. Anyway, I'm using the loop to display the shape. So shape, its area, its foreground color, its background color. Simply a display. Whatever I have read over here, same thing I am displaying it using C out statement. That is nothing more than that. So there also I used for loop. Here also I'm using the for loop only to display the contents. Now searching. So it's a very simple program. Searching. What I'm searching? I'm searching the shape with the given shape. This is the one which I'm taking it from the main program. I'm searching the all shape against the one which I take it from the main program. If it is 1, say shape is found. If it is 0, say shape is not found. Okay. So now if it is 1, then give the details about the shape. If it is 0, then say shape is not found. So searching means there are two options. Either the shape is found. When can you say? When you compare the string of this particular shape with the given string, then yes, it is true that shape is found. So give the details of the shape. If this not there, if this condition is not satisfied, say flag is 00, say shape is not found. Now coming to sorting. So I'm using a simple sorting algorithm here. 0 to n minus 1, I plus 1 to n. It's a simple sorting area. I'm sorting based on area. Area of I is greater than area of j. I'm swapping area of j, then swapping the shape. So I'm swapping, I'm copying. Then these are all for sorting. So I'm using, if these are the logic for sorting. So I'm swapping here. This is used for swapping. Then same thing is used for changing the shapes also. Then see, these three are used to swap the area. These three are used to swap the shape. These three are used to swap the background color. These three are used to swap the foreground color if it is greater. Otherwise, keep it as it is. So even if it looks very lengthy, activity is very simple. Area swapping, shape swapping, background color swapping, foreground color swapping. That's all. If it is more than that, if the area is greater than area of J. Otherwise, you keep it as it is. So this entire function will sort the shapes based on the area. Then coming to the main, so I have G, I call it G as a graphics, the name of the class. So I have option, similarly, whatever I explained in the previous case, display, first option, second option sort, third option search, fourth option exit. Now, if the option is 1, display the content. If the option is 2, sort out the contents. If the option is 3, read what are you going to search. It will search, then program is over. You terminate the program. So this is how you get. Say I need two shapes. First shape is rectangle, area is 25, foreground is red, background is black. Circle 30, green and white. So then I'll use option so that I can search, display, sort and exit. So if I say display, same thing will be displayed. If I sort, so it will be sorted according to this area. So this will come first, this will come next. Search means I have to add a number. Actually, output is partial here. So if I, according to the option, I have four different displays which I can show. So this is how the program is working. So altogether, I'll just quickly go through. Here I'm calling a graphics class called graphics, wherein area I'm reading, then shape I'm reading. It is an array of shape, array of foreground color, array of background color, then one comparison, that is a area. So here I used to display read constructor. This is a constructor actually. Graphics, not graphics, constructor. It will display. This used to search, this used to sort. So constructor will read the value to the object. Display will display the object's content. Search will read the area, then it will search the shape, whether the particular shape is available or not. Then sort will sort the entire shapes as per the area. So this is how your program is working. Thank you.